I went and visited about, say, 5 to 6 of the other competitive culinary schools in BC. And once I came to TRU, it was instant that it was the best run program. It had the most family feel. They made me feel included. They had the most invested into their program. And it really made it seem like it was special and a part of Kamloops in their environment and something that I would be proud of going to attend.
The program really focuses on realism, like realistic styles of service, and I think that's the biggest benefit to this program. Through Scratch Cafe, they get to do a service 3 days a week, and then through Accolades, they get to do a restaurant service 2 nights a week.
Through the Accolades is the a la carte experience. The whole experience of creating the mise en place, running the restaurant, serving the guests.
To be quite candid, this restaurant that we have on campus has been listed as one of the top restaurants in Canada in the Where to Eat guide for several years. It is something that is a hidden gem and a treasure to have in our community, and the fact that we have that in Kamloops is even better. But it allows students to have real-time exposure to dining and take that Band-Aid off so they can learn how to have guest interaction, build confidence, and ultimately build that problem-solving skill that they need that will help them adapt as they go through school.
More of a sense of professionalism, self-sufficiency, and a self-reliance.
Feels like everyone's part of a family, everyone's working together, so I really like that.
Just joking around with my professors and stuff and just having fun with my classmates.
If you want help outside of class, they always have a door open, and yeah, they never make you kind of scared to ask questions.
I feel like it was very open-minded, the criticism was, if you did something wrong, it wasn't you, it was more just you have another chance to grow and learn. And it was every time I did a tiny little mistake, instead of beating myself up for it and feeling shamed, it was just well, next time you're going to do it that much better. And it was just really encouraging, I would say, in a positive atmosphere.
We see a lot of personal satisfaction, just a sense of accomplishment. We really see a huge factor of them being able to communicate better.
You know, coming in, I was a nervous wreck and all over the place, scrambling, and they really help you settle down and settle in.
We've had some students that really come out of their shells. A lot of time, kitchens are a place for people that don't fit in other places. So there'll be people from kind of all walks of life, and to see, I can think of several specific students in my head right now that kind of came in very timid and shy and awkward, and then they left being outgoing and, a leader in the class and that kind of thing. And I think that's one of the things that kitchens provide to people.
It really helped me to learn to be moving at a fast pace without being stressed about it. 5 months ago, it would have made me sweating and heart pounding, wondering am I actually going to be able to do this right? Whereas it really helped me learn to do stuff that fast, but just do it mindfully and be able to still care about, is this wrong on the plate? Should I make it prettier here or there? And just really breathe through it and get to put out something that you're happy about and not be worried about it as much, I would say. I didn't go to my senior year of high school, and I came here, and at first I regretted it. I was terrified. I didn't get to see my friends. And then I got comfortable here and I made new friends, and it was amazing seeing what I could do at such a young age.
It's helped you grow as an individual. That's the best thing I can say.
Seeing them when they first start here, they can be quite timid and shy, but by the end of it, they've really opened up, and we can see the potential, and they blossom into a lot more valuable person within the workforce.